What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500, otherwise known as the stock market, which has hit what I think is the bottom for the next couple of days here. We'll see where today picks off, and that opportunity to buy in at this lowest point and to start dollar cost averaging down would start today, which I'm excited for, and that's what I'm going to do once the markets open back up at about 9:30 in the morning. Now, currently, what we need to look at here is the fact that over the past couple of days, we have pretty much determined that we have hit that bottom. We knew we were going to correct. We knew we'd break through these supports, or we knew that we were at some point going to either break through top resistance or bottom support. We broke through the floor, so we knew we were headed down a moving average. This is the target that we've been watching for days now, and it's finally hit that. Same thing with XRP, same thing with Ethereum, same thing with Bitcoin. Every single cryptocurrency, if we broke through those supports, we would fall down to bottom floor, which we hit, and now that that's already hit, it's starting to reverse back out of it, which is the perfect opportunity to buy in and long. We saw it over the weekend, we saw it Friday, and we're going to continue from where we left off. You knew on XRP, on the 4-hour charts, what we've been tracking here, we had a beautiful symmetrical triangle forming on the 4-hour charts here, falling, lower high, higher low, filling this gap in here. We completed it with the confirmation closure a bit earlier than we could have seen, but we closed above it nonetheless. The easiest opportunity to buy in was right here once we confirmed closure on the 4-hour charts on XRP, and since then we've rallied up. Now we're hitting the price ceiling, the moving average, sorry, on the 4-hour charts. But the good news is we are starting to see a golden cross, which is very exciting. And this can hopefully allow the prices to head even higher. So keep your eyes peeled on this market. I think we're going to have some buying opportunities really early, maybe even today. If you missed out over the weekend here, because we had those opportunities over the weekend to be buying in on pretty much all these cryptocurrencies, even Friday here. And because we've now confirmed breakouts above major resistances that we were expecting, we now expect to see us continue to move this week to some higher levels here. I even said it in yesterday's video. I said this week will be epic. We broke out as expected, and this week we will continue to travel up even higher and inevitably hit our price ceiling and capitalize off of some pretty profitable returns. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. Super quick, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember, if you sign up for BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, you can unlock an up to $400 in USDT trading bonuses here and get your VIP status. Super easy, super simple. It's literally the first link in the description down below here. All the information, conditions, it's super easy to get. They also have rewards that you can earn up to $2,800 in free cryptocurrency with that link down in the description below ASAP. So make sure to check that out. There's only 8 days left in this. I was also just informed, and I forgot, but I'll show you guys tomorrow here that BitFi is giving away a $10,000 bonus trading pool for meme coins, and I'll show you guys that later on tomorrow. So I'm super excited to go over that and show you guys that. But with that being said, diving into the technical analysis, you can see on the current coin market cap here, if I do a quick refresh of the markets, you can see we're up 1.3%, 62 on the fear and greed index, which looks great across the board. I'm very excited that we are finally consolidating. The halving is over for Bitcoin, and what that means now is it's only up from here. With the halving completed, this is going to be the first week that we are going to see what the halving has done. And with this being that we are at the most conservative level, the most neutral level across the board here, we just saw crypto tank over the past couple of weeks here. You can see from our high leading to the halving, things like XRP have fallen quite substantially here. If I take, where is it? Right over here, we grab the, oh my, why can't I find it? Here we go. The price range from our peak, we actually bottomed 44% on XRP, falling that low that quickly. And now that the halving has completed on cryptos like Bitcoin, so on and so forth here, it is now time to, see the fruits of our labor here. And we're going to start to see prices, I think, rally up easily to $100,000 by maybe the end of 2025, mid 2025, we should be seeing some astronomical stuff. Bitcoin itself fell 16.5%, leading to the halving here. So things are going to be absolutely nuts moving forward. With a quick refresh, like I said before, most of the cryptos are consolidating over the past 24 hours, so only at 1%. Even for the week, we're not really seeing much. Besides Shiba Inu up 17% for the week, all these cryptos are still consolidating. And with XRP, this is an easy one. We knew this. We talked about this on the daily charts. You can clearly tell we had a beautiful bull flag formation here. Here's the flag pull. The flag to the downside here, filling in the gaps. We confirmed closure above price ceiling right here, and we formed what appears to be an ascending broadening wedge. We broke down from that as textbook always show. I can pull it up right here. Ascending broadening wedge, and you can see that this is always a correction to the downside here. Textbook always correction, just like this, or just like this one here. We consolidate in higher low, higher highs, and then we dump lower and break through that lower trend line and correct to the downside here, and that is exactly what happened to XRP clear as day. Well, now we fell into a symmetrical triangle. These typically continue to fall lower, but we're pretty much oversold on every cryptocurrency, so we need to correct back to the upside here. We also fell back down to retest the floor. You can see we actually fell to the bottom of the bull flag here. This is the 5th bull flag on XRP. We fell to the support, held on to it, started to consolidate. You can see the craziness happening with these candles here consolidating. Well, as we zoomed in, we noticed that there were what appeared to be a bigger technical indicator forming. You can clearly see with this drop here, the higher low, lower high filling in the gap. Decision time, confirmed closure outside of the moving average or the symmetrical triangle. And now we broke to the upside. Just like that, started a bull flag break. And you can see we're now headed up to where I think is moving average. The opportunity to get on this was not too long ago here. There still is time, honestly. The opportunity was April 20th here. It's now the 22nd, so just 2 days ago, but it's still not too late. I do think we're going to head up higher. You saw in the 4-hour how we're hitting resistance, but I think we're still going to carry ourselves up to retest moving average at least. So I do expect to see us continue to move up to 58 cents on XRP from a current price of 53 cents. It's a small correction here, a small little dip from 53 all the way up to here. It's about a 10 to 12% correction to the upside here, reversal to the upside here, where I would expect to see the markets move. But after that, we would then see some consolidation as we would be retesting the top of this resistance here. But I do think the markets are due to see some recovery movements over the next couple of days. And this week, we should start that off pretty nicely here. And we can obviously do those trades on BitFi. Like I said, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want offered on an exchange is offered on BitFi, including sign-up bonuses, free cryptocurrency, and a demo trading account. You can buy long, take profit, stop loss, like I said. If you click demo trading account, you can check this out right here. And then they do have a welcome rewards bonus. Like I said earlier today, over $2,800 in free cryptocurrency by completing new user, advanced, and exclusive tasks. It's that easy. Going on to perpetual trades, they even have a demo account, 50 grand in Monopoly money, completely free to test out the simulator here. That means test your trades, test your skills, learn how to trade, practice here. And then when you're ready, it's as simple as clicking live trade to get back in, and you can trade around with that bonus money that you earned completely free. Anywho, moving forward from BitFi and XRP, looking at Solana, like I said with these other cryptos, we bottomed off. We hit the price floor on the daily charts on most every cryptocurrency. We've now hit that floor that we were all anticipating. We knew, and I said it clear as day, very firm on that. Price ceiling, price floor, sideways channel forming on Solana. We discussed if we confirm closure above here and close a daily candle above here, we buy in and we long. Conservatively, we close below the floor, we buy in and we short conservatively here. If you close above it on the 4-hour, well, then we can take a more moderate to aggressive trade on that. But since we broke the floor here, we're now falling down to retest moving average as we've done since the start of this trend in October of 2023. October, November, December, January, February, March, April. That's literally 7 months of consolidation in this uptrend here. Now that we fell back down to it, what do? We either A, trend up higher, or B, continue the movement regardless. So we are going to continue this movement regardless to the upside here, and I'm excited to see the results of that as we did bottom off, and now I think we're either going to follow this like this, or we're going to trend up higher, retest all-time highs for 2024 for Solana here. So again, beautiful opportunity. You didn't miss out on a buy-in here. So again, Solana is going to be moving up to the upside here. Almost guarantee it. I'm 95% confident we are going to end the end of May or June at $200, and we're currently at $140. So even with leverage, this is a huge opportunity, or without leverage, we're still seeing a 35% return on your investment, which is huge. Stock market yields 10% a year. This is 35% in just a couple of months. I can almost guarantee it. I can't promise it, but I'm about 95% confident here. And that same thing applies with these other cryptos. A little short term here, but we're playing out a massive bull flag that I'm very excited to see finally break itself on Ethereum. And what I'm looking for here is a breach above price ceiling. I would likely expect that to happen at some point or another, but as we fill this in, I would expect the next target for Ethereum to rally up to moving average here and retest this. And then once we confirm completion or retest that, this is the trade. Short term, this is the trade. I expect us to move up to here, or we move like that. But I do expect us to move up to retest that price ceiling again. There's only 2 points of confirmation here. We're looking for a third, and then we'll go from there. Usually it goes, where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we break. That's what we're looking for here. So I would expect that to happen soon as we complete and fill out this beautiful, clear as day bull flag formation on Ethereum's daily. And you can see for Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is forming a symmetrical triangle, lower highs we are constantly having, but we have the same floors. So we're going to fill this in. The goal is to breach resistance here, and the big goal is to breach the price ceiling. So if you want to play this, we breach through yellow. It's an aggressive trade. Here, moderate, and then here, conservative, as we break into all-time highs forever. And it's going to happen sooner than later. So just be patient because it will happen. As for the stock market, we did bottom off. We did retest price floor. There's a very solid chance that we are going to see a little bit of a recovery movement now, but we are going to continue to scale lower. So if I extend this outwards here, there's a chance this week we could consolidate up, but I do think it's going to continue to carry us lower here, at least to retest 4780, the red band here. That's my thought, but because we're oversold in the daily charts, we're going to see some consolidation, but this would be a small little dollar cost average, the first entry into potentially scaling lower. That's my opinion on the markets here. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.